Today I will show you how to remove your stones from your car tire walls. So for this you need a tool like this. And why it is important? Because often we find as the tire gets older, these particular stones often pierces to the side walls or this tire bed and creates a damage. So make it a practice of removing these stones, sometimes bigger ones also, and this tool is very handy. You can easily remove them like this. You see there are some bigger ones also here. So how we will remove that? Yes. Now often these stones have some piercing sharp edges and they create havoc in tire walls. But if you remove them periodically, your tires will be safe and you have lesser chances of puncture. So make it a practice to do this once in every 15 days. Do as much as you can. You see, it happens more so in the front tires because the entire weight of the car is in the front. How you can understand the tires is getting older? As you can see, here are some areas where the rubber has little bit disintegrated. It's not that you have to replace it immediately, but these are the gradual signs of tire aging, as the tire has already become 5 years older. So this is how you remove your stones and pebbles from your tire grooves very easily, and it's very effective. So this is a very simple process, and please give a thumbs up and like if you like this video.